Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a backup, stopped server, and file access. Once done, open server. CFG and the resources FX manifest, Lua or resource. Lua, you need to edit production flags. Make sure you are editing the correct server instance. Mistakes affect live players. You will remove or change the production indicator and any strict enforcement lines. This first step sets the stage so subsequent reloads won't break the server. Be precise and save copies before changing anything. Next, find production-specific flags inside FX Manifest, Lua and Server. CFG, these often set strict behaviors or restrict dev commands. You'll change production booleans to false or comment out production-only checks with or /*/ depending on file type. Then, update start /ensure lines so the edited resource loads before others. This avoids dependency errors. Once edited, double-check syntax. Missing commas or stray characters will prevent startup, so validate the manifest. Finally, restart the server and monitor the console closely. You want green start messages and no fatal manifest errors. Once running, verify by executing a dev-only command or using resource restart. If the command works, production mode is disabled. Make sure players are informed of any expected instability. If you hit errors, stop the server, restore your backup, and reapply changes one at a time to find the cause. This rollback approach prevents long outages and isolates the problematic edit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.